Hey carpet cleaners, John here. This is part 3 of a 3-part series where I'm looking at the best Facebook groups right now for carpet cleaners. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams. I run a company called AGB. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry. And we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning business owners as humanly possible. Not just survive, but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Part 3, the best carpet cleaning groups on Facebook right now. Next up is another one, Cleaners Connect. Now this one is another one, this is a real big one, 11.3 thousand members. The big boss man in here in this one is of course Courtney Lee. I'm sure many of you have heard of Courtney. He has become a major influencer, speaker, talker, motivator in the cleaning space over the last few years. A lot of people look up to him. A lot of people really respect him, and he's built a really solid community here in Cleaners Connect. He also has a lot of private communities. I know that he has a thing where you can kind of do like a ride along and stuff like that. He offers some sort of paid training courses and things. So there's a lot of value in here. He is again very active. He gives a lot of educational stuff. He gives a lot of motivation as well, which I think is really, really good and really, really great. And so yeah, you know, like hardwood floor tips, stuff like that. So you're going to get inside of Cleaners Connect from Courtney, from a lot of the other guys that are part of this community. You're going to get a lot of value. You're going to get a lot of free content. You're going to get a lot of education, but certainly something that I would say that maybe is lacking in some of the other groups. That's actually not true. I definitely think Carpet Professor's page is on par, but one of the things that I like about Courtney is how motivational he is to the other guys and stuff like that. So I think that's really, really great. The only negative that I'd say about this, and some of you may agree, some of you may disagree, this is just my personal opinion. I found that it can get a little bit rowdy in here sometimes, and there's a few people that have had their noses knocked out of joint. I've seen a few arguments, and I've seen it kind of kick off, and there's been a few haters in here to the point where I've actually seen Courtney Lee actually having to go live and say, hey man, like we're here to support each other, like we need to like stop on all the hating and stuff like that. So it's one of those where, you know, maybe, you know, you might get kicked to the gutter or something if you ask a question, and maybe someone might think it's a bit of a stupid question. Somebody might like put you down, and I've seen that it can be like a little bit mean, and there can be a few egos in here on occasion. I haven't been here for a long while, so I don't know if it's changed now. So that might be something you want to watch out for. I might be getting the wrong end of the stick. Things could have like got a lot better, but I can say that I have seen it get ugly in here a couple of times. So you might just want to watch out from that. Other than that though, this is a fantastic group, and Courtney's a great guy, and there is a lot of education and definitely a lot of motivation in here. And Courtney's got some excellent training programs and private programs as well. So yeah, another one that I do recommend that you check out. Just be a little bit careful because the community I've seen can be a little bit tricky on occasion. And so on to the final one. This is probably the smallest one in this video, and that's Carpet Advisors. So basically this one's a lot smaller. It's got 1.1 thousand members, so it's a lot smaller. Let's have a look in here. Definitely a real effort to get people motivated, which I really, really like. There's definitely some good engagement here. This guy's had 36 comments and 18 likes. This had 3 comments, 5 likes. You can post here, and even though it's a very small community, you will get help. You will get people responding to you. This has got 7 comments. So if you're looking for maybe a little bit of a smaller, tighter knit community, this is definitely one to look at. It's well engaged. There's good motivation and stuff like that, and you probably will get answers to your questions and stuff like that. So this is another one that I would recommend. I think this guy, TJ, he's a good guy. I've heard good things about him and stuff like that, as well as Johnny Johnson. Don't know him personally, but I've definitely seen him in the industry. Well-respected people. So do check this one out. If you want to be part of an up-and-coming community, one that's that little bit smaller, maybe that bit more tight-knit, this is definitely one to get involved in. So yeah, that's Carpet Advisors. So hopefully here you can see some good good alternatives to the truck mount forums. I anticipate that many of you watching this will already be part of these groups. I anticipate that you'll already know them and know the people that are involved in them. But if you haven't, if there is anybody watching this that wasn't aware of any of these, I would recommend that you check each and every single one of them out. And do remember, use that magnifying glass inside the group, that search option, to find the answers that you're looking for. And I'm pretty sure you will find a lot of content and a lot of education, a lot of value. So I hope that you enjoyed this 3-part series. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified of when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, do head down to the description where you'll find the necessary links to book a call with us. Cheers.